So did you all pay attention to the last run that we just saw with AMC and GME? I hope you did, because what did you notice? Let's take a look at the news. What did you notice? It should have, if you've been in this since last year around this time, it should have been familiar, right? What happened? What happened? Well, let's see. Wall Street bets started surfacing again in the overall narrative from all of our favorite media in the market. On top of that, the price went up, right? Of both the GME and AMC. Now, why did that happen? Well, obviously, it was retail, right? That's why they came out with the Wall Street bets narrative, and they pointed with one of the most popular stocks being GameStop on Wall Street bets. Yeah, no. The reason is, if you didn't know this already, where I was going with this, what happened is institutions bought, just like they've been doing all year. Now, this time in particular, guess who it was? Again, BlackRock. They're back with the ETFs. We have IJH. They picked up 1.66 million shares on the 24th. That was yesterday. We have T. Rowe reloading their ETFs. We have JNL Series Trust. We have IBPIX, XJH. It's a cycle, right? They load up ETFs, they share lend, they get rid of the ETFs, they buy more shares or sell more shares with their main positions, and then they just do this over and over and over again. So we're talking 1.66 million just in IJH alone, on top of another 100,000 from JNL Series Trust, 30,000 from Bright House Funds, 17,000 from IUSG and other iShares, 226,000 from IJJ, 216,000 from IJK, all iShares, and then of course we have the master investment portfolio back in play as well. So now if we go look at the IJH holdings and we look at it, I bet you it's going to be GameStop and then XTSLA fund, just like we saw before. Okay, the weightings are different. That's good to see. So the actually the weighting's a lot bigger in this one. I believe last time in the small cap ETFs they had it around 0.17% weighted, but this is quite a bit of shares here. So likely the reason why we see the price go up, because institutions were buying. What happens when you get volume? The price goes up. What do you need for the price to go up? Volume. Now let's look at AMC. I assume the same thing applies. Okay, so the same thing kind of applies, but IWN, we got 5.5 million shares. I mean, it's just the same thing over and over again in a cycle. Same funds. You got JNL Series Trust, T. Rowe. So it's ETFs combined with maybe a little bit of arbitrage. IWM is up to 11.7 million in AMC. So they've been buying. They were only at 9 million as of a month ago. So it's institutions, everyone. It's not retail. Every time you see a narrative come around, like Wall Street bets is this and that about the GME AMC, you can probably bet we're about to run soon, because they have to have a narrative to justify the price action, is what it seems like to me. But anyways, that's all I have for you. That's why we ran, in my opinion, if you ask me. I mean, look at this shit. I mean, oh, it's quite comical. It is quite comical. Anyways, you all have a good rest of your Thanksgiving.